Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me, Ayman Bint Nizam. I am a student of class 4. My school's name is Cox's Bazar International School.
Hello, it's me, Shashadripa. I am a student of class 4. My school name is Cox's Bazar International School.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, it's me, Ira. I'm class 4. My school name is Cox's Bazar International School.
Assalamualaikum. It's me, Mohammad Rahman. I'm a student of class 4. My school's name is Cox's Bazar International School.
Today we will discuss about education with my friends.
What is education?
Education is the backbone of a nation. Education. Without education, you can't do anything, and we need to educate as we are human beings. If we are not educated, then some things are impossible. But if we are educated, then we can make it possible. The most powerful weapon is education. And without it, you can do anything in this nation. Life without education is like room without light. But if we are educated, then our life is very bright. Education is our best friend, and it does not have any end. Education is the best, and while you are educating, you can't rest. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have.
You told education is the backbone of a nation. Can you tell me what is the meaning of backbone?
The Bengali meaning of backbone is Merudanda. Did you get it?
Yes.
Bye bye. See you again.